You remember me, right? I'm not only there.
It's Godzilla.
Yeah! Come on! Yeah! I've been more than ready, prepping heavy for this day to come. Bet that if you that's the real motivation, some people kill for it. I keep reaching for greatness because I'm built from it. Here we go! Give it 100, never nothing less. Here we go! We coming, you already know the rest. Here we go! We never settle cause we know it best. Here we go! Who wanna test? Leave you out of. Here we go! Give it 100, never nothing less.
So what's up guys, and welcome back to another and a fresh video guys. And in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x24 diecast model of 2017 Nissan GTR. And guys, I bought this model from the Brago website and the model cost rupees 1900 rupees only. And also I'll put the website link in the description, so if you want to buy that model you can buy from that link. And also guys, the model is well detailed and well built. The doors are openable and the bonnet is also openable. So if you are finding this video interesting, carry on and continue watching the video.